Some days your mind doesn't feel anxious or overwhelmed, it just feels heavy, slowed, foggy, weighted down. This heavy mind feeling is more common than people realize. And walking is one of the simplest ways to lift it. A heavy mind is your system running low on internal movement. Your thoughts feel thick because your emotional energy isn't flowing. Your body is stagnant. Your breath is shallow. Your focus feels dim. This isn't laziness or lack of motivation. It's emotional fatigue, your system asking for motion so it can wake back up. When you stay still, the heaviness doesn't improve. It deepens. Your breath becomes even more shallow. Your mental space shrinks. Your thoughts feel heavier, not clearer. Your system is waiting for movement to break the mental weight. The moment you start walking, your nervous system receives a new message. Your breath expands. Your circulation increases. Your sensory awareness widens. Your emotional system begins moving again. Each step lifts a little bit of the weight, like your mind is finally getting fresh air. Walking brings back mental lightness, the same way opening a window clears a room. Walking gives your brain something incredibly valuable: rhythm. Left, right, left, right. Rhythm clears mental fog the way waves smooth a shoreline. Your thoughts begin to move again. Your clarity returns, your mood rises, your energy lifts. It's not dramatic, it's gradual, steady and reliable. Your mind becomes heavy when your body is stuck. And your mind becomes lighter when your body moves again. By the end of a walk, your mental heaviness has softened. Your thoughts feel clearer, your emotional energy feels brighter. Walking lifts the mind by lifting the body first. So when your mind feels heavy or weighed down, don't force yourself to think your way out. Walk your way out. Walking creates clarity. Walking creates lightness. Walking is medicine.